Queen. Today we're making a quick and easy dinner. Eat 1 pound of ground chicken. Go ahead and add your seasoning. Use crushed red pepper, mixed all together, and green onions, and of course, pepper jack cheese. Start to patty those out. Next up is creamed spinach. I use a capful of chili sesame oil, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3 ounces of cream cheese. And now mix it up. Start making your burger patties. Start cooking for 10 minutes on each side. Next, grab your spinach. Add a couple big handfuls, let it cook down. It should look just like this. We put green beans on the side. And voila, your own cooked easy dinner. Like, comment, share, please follow for more.